Hey there, thinking about starting an online store but stuck between Shopify and WooCommerce? Let's break them down to help you choose the best one for you. First, Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one platform that makes setting up a store super easy. You sign up, pick a theme, add products, and you're ready to sell. It handles hosting, security, and updates for you, so you don't need to worry about tech stuff. It's got a clean dashboard, tons of apps to add features, and 24/7 support. But it comes with a monthly fee, starting at $19, an extra cost for apps or transaction fees if you don't use their payment system. Now, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress. It turns your WordPress site into a store. You get tons of flexibility to customize everything, from design to features, using plugins. It's great for SEO and works well if you already have a WordPress site. But you'll need to handle hosting, security, and updates yourself, which can mean extra costs and a bit of learning curve. So how do they compare? Ease of use. Shopify wins here. It's beginner friendly with a simple setup, while WooCommerce needs more tech know-how. Cost. WooCommerce is cheaper to start since it's free, but hosting and plugins add up. Shopify's fees are predictable but higher. Which is better? Choose Shopify if you want a quick, hassle-free setup and don't mind paying for convenience. Perfect for beginners or growing businesses. Go for WooCommerce if you love full control, have WordPress experience, or want to keep costs low while building a unique store. Pick the one that fits your skills, budget, and goals. Happy selling. Like and subscribe for more videos.